Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show photo watermark on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Adding a watermark to a photo can help establish ownership and protect the copyright of the image. It serves a visual indicator that the photo belongs to a specific person or entity. Well, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open camera application on your device. Okay, then here you can click on settings icon at the top left corner. Well, and then in this page, please scroll down and select watermark option. So activate it by pressing this button. And here you can customize the text as you want. Okay, after that, let's check it. Okay, so now you can see that the watermark is successfully added to a picture. Well, that's the tutorial on how to show watermark on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.